What's wrong with that?
What are you doing?
Hey,
Dad!
what's wrong with that?
That's a good one.
Daddy, you play with your foot.
Yeah, he knows what he's doing.
Look at you, big boy. Big boy.
You like that? Huh? You have fun? You got 5 things around here, huh? Yeah.
You're being big boy. Want to turn more this way? Oh.
You got a toy to play with, a music toy,
Oh, what's that?
animal toy, huh?
What's that? I'm getting tired. I've been
Well,
playing this a
Derek
long
was big,
time.
you know that?
Yeah.
Another
Huh.
little toy.
Well,
up
he's
there.
already a whole year old. I can't believe that.
Who?
Derek.
What?
I can't believe he's already a whole year old.
4?
No, 1.
1 years old?
Yep.
That'll be 2 or 3 or
Went
4.
by fast.
Be grown like
Mm.
When was
I know it.
Derek was born April, wasn't it?
1 year old,
When
pussy
was,
baby.
Tucker was born December,
Derek was born in March.
March, and Tucker
Happy
December.
face?
Yep.
Where's Kyle?
Happy face?
February.
Yeah. I don't know if you could turn that thing around. Right, Meg?
Which thing?
This.
Look at these idiots.
No, you can't.
Supposed to be St. Patrick's Day parade. They dress up as animals.
Whoa, what are you looking at? Are these crazy toys? We're gonna have to show Dada how much you love this. Oh man.
You like that?
Marie, let me buy, huh?
Yeah.
Could have some breakfast.
Lunch. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.